Hi, in this video we'll learn how to make a cap using basic shapes and pen tool. For that we'll take the ellipsis tool, press shift and alt or only shift and pick a circle. Press alt and make another copy out of it. Take this circle, take the direct selection tool, select only one anchor point and drag it on top. Take the other one. Now you'll take your pen tool, press alt, click in the center. Select the whole thing, right click and group it. Your cap is ready. For further queries, please contact us at info@aonlinetraining.com. Thank you.